Hello guys, I am back with another mind-blowing tutorial on Haaga Moody effect in Adobe Lightroom. I promise it will shock you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for getting more interesting video first. So let's get started. First, import your image. I had already imported my image. If you want to download this image, as always the link is in description. Go to the lights section. Set exposure to 0.10. Set contrast to 56. Set highlights to -100. Set shadows to 100. Set whites to -100. Set blacks to -50. Now go to mix section in grading. Select orange color. Set hue to -34. Set luminance to 20. Then select yellow color. Set hue to -64. Set luminance to -22. Then select green color. Set hue to -68. Set saturation to -40. Set luminance to -100. Now select light blue. Set hue to -68. Set saturation to -92. Set luminance to -88. Now select blue color. Set hue to -56. Set saturation to -54. Set luminance to -100. Select pink color and lastly set hue to -90. Now the part of the grading section is done. Then go to the effect section. Set vignette to -50. Set midpoint to 27. Set feather to 74. Set roundness to 12. And lastly go to the details section. Set color noise reduction to 100. And lastly, set details and smoothness to 100. Finally our work is done. This is the Haaga Moody effect. Now check the before-after difference. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button